Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kathem ribhoi hakani ka kenti kalasakhi ya ka jingbo yu Mawnongrim bante ya ka ribhoi bambu park ka beningkong e haka jala Meghalaya. Ya kani ka project bala pli haka Shnong Mawtnum haka khatsautorik unopra arjar arpsau lalam khamat do chairman jongka Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation u James PK Sangma haka bala sakhilang do MLA ka Sdang u Dr. Celestine Lingdo u Managing Director jongka MIDC u ba DD Nongmali u Additional Deputy Commissioner u ba MB Tongper u MLA Barim ka Mahoti u ba Donbok Khemdai u rongba Shnong jongka Shnong Mawtnum bat kiwe kumban chupentip hangne baka jingtmu nakabenta banchna ya karibhoy bamboo park la Sdang hi daka dorbar Shnong Mawtnum daka babu hakmat ya kathong ban pli ya kalat yokam nakabenta kisamla.
Because I truly believe that this project has the potential and it will change the socio-economic landscape of this total area. And therefore I'd like to first and foremost thank and congratulate Mr. Badok Nongmale, Mr. Kamailang Nongbale, all the promoters of this project in having conceptualized this wonderful project and also having come so far in making this a reality, to bring about laying of the foundation stone, to bring about identification of this very, very strategic location. And I think we have to appreciate all the hard work that they have put in to bring this project so far. So first and foremost, my congratulations and my gratitude to Mr. Badok Nongmale and to Mr. Kamailang Nongbale and all the rest of the members of the Dorbar and people associated with this project. I think that when the expression green gold is used for bamboo, it is so apt and appropriate because bamboo is in every essence a green gold. And like gold, it has the potential to change livelihoods, to bring about and reap in a lot of revenue for the people. And like gold, it is everlasting. But the beauty of bamboo lies in its sustainable nature. And that's why today, when this project has been conceptualized and the kind of vision that I read about in the concept note, the vision of sustainability that has been mentioned in it, it really makes me feel very proud and happy that such kind of industries are being thought about in the state of Meghalaya. As all of you may already know, that the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation, although the word industry will always mean industries which come at a cost to the environment, to our ecosystem, but our effort is now to promote industries which are sustainable, which instead of harming the ecosystem and the environment will play a part where things become circular in nature. So that's why the effort of the MIDC is today to promote circular industry, to promote the circular economy and to promote sustainable industries. And that's why today when I read about this industry and the fact that it's so holistic in its approach, I must say that I'm very, very happy to note that that is the kind of thinking and the vision that is coming up in our entrepreneurs in the state of Meghalaya. I am very happy that there is a lot of community participation also in this project. That this has been done in collaboration with the Dorbar Shnong of this area, and the Dorbar Shnong is playing an integral role in promoting this project and also being a part of this project. I think that kind of community participation, if it does not exist, nothing can be sustainable in nature. And therefore, the community participation that is taking place here is something which will be an example for all of us to follow in the rest of the state. That without the support and the participation of community, no industry will be able to survive as we go forward in the future. I'm also very happy that when we look at the holistic nature of this project, that livelihoods is being taken into consideration, that not just sustainability but also innovation is also one of the visions with which this project was conceptualized. And innovation is so integral today because as we live in this very fast changing ecosystem wherein a lot of technology is coming, it is sometimes very disruptive in nature, technology. But with innovation, I believe that whatever challenges lie in the future, we will be able to overcome all these challenges. And therefore, when we talk about the way that bamboo provides a sustainable form of industry, I think that the sky is the limit. We are speaking about, as Dr. Celestine had just mentioned, that people can transition away from usage of charcoal, which is very, very harmful to the environment. Not just because trees are cut to make charcoal, but also the kind of emissions that take place. So with bamboo, I believe that the amount of impact, the carbon footprint of using pellets of bamboo will be much, much lesser than other harmful forms of charcoal. So these are the kind of innovations that we require in today's world. And this is not just limited to that. With bamboo, it can go up to many, many different levels. Like today, we know that ethanol is being produced from bamboo. And the kind of carbon emission from petroleum can be substantially reduced, which is already being done by Government of India, wherein ethanol is being blended with petroleum. And today it's at 15%. That's the amount of ethanol which is blended with petrol. But tomorrow, I'm very sure that this 15% is going to be increased substantially, maybe to 20%, 25%, who knows, even to about 30-35%. And with this kind of blending, we will see that bamboo production and the byproducts of bamboo are going to fetch a much, much higher revenue in the future, because the demand for bamboo and its byproducts is going to go up manifold. So this kind of innovation which is available, as I was mentioning, sky is the limit. This is truly something that we must explore, because Meghalaya, being a place blessed with biodiversity, with so many different forms of bamboo which can cater to different types of usages, I think that this is the time to leverage the availability of the natural resource, at the same time promote a sustainable industry, at the same time an industry which can see increase and in its revenue by leaps and bounds as we go forward in the future, because of the consciousness of the global world in terms of sustainability, in terms of climate change.
Ayam tu pernah April, Mei, April, Mei.
Wisdom is that we have to keep it tilted. It's like Jitu berkongsan juni benteli ketika dibahui bambu pak ke tempat kalong halor ke Mawnongrim ban aikam macam ki polis semula ke juni aju ke puan ke Mawnongrim ke juni hak bangila penun kam yosi nomor katung ke jintip ke bangi lalum ngalang usik udah jitung bola mengkam hak kam barok bat lembah cong ke bambu pak ke pengidan mentah ngidan kumba khatway teli ki unit ki bansawan but lai teli mentah gilawan kawai kedai bambu tu pelet habang gilalot kumbashi akar Sdang gazaka mentah kawai ke bambu tu baisha bambu tu charcoal but kawai ke badang don hak proses kalong bambu tu animal feed but lomba cokani ke bambu pak ke bangi Sdang hang Mawtnum kawai ke binle kalong bindu kawai ke training center nang mata kinong rep ke jungi kinong tanjingi pun kam no sik membaca mereka sentar bakin yo kin sayo ke hotel babun kinok Shnong ndai tangga mutrum ndai jongka dong riboy di bro boy bat ni sadon ro nek besan teli guest house ba ni pun kam di sik pensna bahkan long benuksa ya kinok Shnong jongka ri ke juni ba nila benle nila beli juni toy sibun nausik nak betar jor kam uman kasih hadu bentahi kejing Sdang kedi nak Shnong nyimpat yo kenono kejing rap sokar bat ni don kejing kemen baskem bang ini trelang ba sokar lada ke akiwi pat kipor nam ta kipu di project kerontak ya mentahi ina pendut nak Shnong ha kejing lap junga lengba kejing don kam ba ka perthei kam ka don kam ro mentah kemno ban wanra ya kejing nak jiksa yang ni don kam ki charcoal mo bambu tu charcoal betu bro sikata kam ya kini ki renga ke jungi tak batang daki ding ki bagi simpor sipos nam kazan senam bikin hek kelsan dan reusik arsenam lalong mapun kam dan takadau ban ngidon sibon ke stok abi de busik ko karibon district ke jungi de lembah kata ke jungi lembah kata ke jingmat ke junga nyelap kabala ban penek persa meriang kalong dangla dangi pun kam yusi hati jirun kam jungi tam ta ke mai ka jungi